What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We are on our way to Clearwater Beach for Clearwater Beach Day, right? He's been down there before, but not really to like check it out. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna bring you along. So if you're interested, keep watching.
And we're gonna stop and rent a slingshot on the way.
We're not renting a slingshot.
Come on, rent a slingshot.
No.
Dang it.
Back. Bye.
Go on an elevator, and it smells like pee.
It's recording.
Oh. I just said the elevator smells like pee.
The elevator number 2 smells like pee.
Yeah, that's gross. That's gross.
Or number 2, octopus.
As we sit and we wait.
Tell YouTube land where you are.
Oh, Clearwater, Florida.
Wow, the enthusiasm.
So much fun. Alright, now we enter the piss-infested elevator. Ugh.
Don't say piss-infested.
It smells like pee-pee in here. Whoa, how you doing? Come here often?
She's a Baywatch babe.
No.
So watch channel.
Take the Alex and have the whole car back up.
Yeah, I want to
Hungry.
That's what we usually do.
More on fish.
I feel like I'm always in surf style.
You're always in here?
I just feel like it because we always park above. So we park above surf style. Today's parking was $18, which they have increased the price because of spring break, I'm assuming, obviously. But there's usually always parking up there, and it leads you right out to the beach. See? And voila.
Alright, where do we eat? I am starving.
There's multiple. This way,
Alright,
there's
let's go find someone.
there's McDonald's. Let's do McDonald's.
No, I'm in Florida.
You're at Clearwater Beach. Are you sure you don't want to have McDonald's?
Not eating McDonald's.
Okay. What? What's this? Oh, you gotta get it on the hook?
Yeah.
He's trying to make it on that little hook.
Oh, come on. I've done it before.
I've never seen this. I didn't notice this before.
Come on, now I got too much in it.
Dang.
Let's ring it. Oh.
Yes, you did it.
You used to feed it to me too much, and now I get sick every time I eat that place.
You sure? We could do the dollar menu at McDonald's. Y'all didn't know McDonald's is on Clearwater Beach? Yes, it is.
Not doing McDonald's.
Yeah, okay. No to McDonald's. That's a no. Ew. What's wrong with your... What's wrong with your toes?
I got some in my shoe. Some in my sock.
You want to go on the slides down there? The trampoline?
They're probably all wet. Water ones.
They probably are. You're right. So is that a no?
Woo! Hair's so nice. It's not as humid.
It's not that humid today. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, perfect.
So we are here on Clearwater Beach. We're going to try to get in Frenchy's Rockaway grill. I don't know if it's going to happen. It doesn't look too full. Usually at sunset it's worse.
Yeah.
Yeah, because everybody wants to be on the beach.
Yeah, I suppose that makes sense.
They want to be on the beach during sunset, so it might not be difficult right now.
You guys never eaten here before?
No.
Awesome. The best. The best grouper sandwich. The best.
Alright, well that's good. Good to know.
Tanya, party at 3, your table's now available.
Inside? Or do you want...
How long's the wait for the patio?
10 minutes, 10:15.
We can wait.
We'll wait. Yes.
What's the name?
Damien.
Damien.
Yeah.
We'll call you.
All right, great. Thanks.
Yep.
Place is packed. 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime. We're waiting for a table. They said about 10 minutes because we want the beach view. D. Thank you. Getting that grouper sandwich. You having fun?
Loads of fun. Give me more beer.
We're going to
Get more beer?
Shepard. Yes, to Shepard so he can have more beer. I told him before we came down here, watch, you're gonna see all kinds of where are they?
I don't know.
Instagrammers down here at the beach taking their pictures because that's what they do. All the young girls come down here and they take their pictures. And what did we just see?
Chicks taking
Pictures.
pictures of other chicks.
Like BFFs, they're down here and they take each other pictures. Hilarious.
And
And
I-
you know they're doing it for Instagram. It's
So I
just
just
hilarious.
happened to walk by and say, "Oh, we should put that on Instagram."
So we're headed to Shepard so he can drink some more
Drink
because
more.
he's thirsty because it's hot out here and
Yes.
he's on vacation, so he gets to drink whatever.
What's funny is we were just really making fun of people for putting pictures on Instagram, and we're walking down this
with a selfie
ocean
stick.
walk with a selfie stick, making YouTube videos.
Whatever. I told the people on the tube that they were gonna meet you this week, and you
Is
could
that
be
so?
in
That's what you call this thing? You call this a tube? See,
The
my
tube.
mom's old and does social media. I don't really do all this stuff, so I don't like using a selfie stick is still foreign to me.
Oh, you'll be all right, and people will look at you and stare at you, but it's all good.
Yep, like those.
Yeah. Like
That's cool.
just record yourself. Go ahead.
That's cool.
Just take over.
I got this.
Okay. What are you gonna talk about?
I don't know what I'm gonna talk about actually, because I don't really know how to do this whole social media thing. So we're just
So
gonna,
you're just talking.
so we're just gonna put you back into here because I'm probably gonna ruin
So
this
you
video.
can like flip the camera around. That's messing it up. That's not that way. That's not what I mean. Flip the video around.
How do you do that?
Stop. So this is a resort, y'all, that opens up to the bay, and you can get jet ski rentals back here, and I mean take your boat right up to the back. And they have a stage. They don't have any music right now, but that's a leaf. Look at the causeway over here. I really might have to rent like a scooter to take him home because he's thirsty.
I can still walk. I'm good.
I'll just let you know that I'm also.
Yeah, beach rentals and accessories. There you go, if you want to know how much they are. This guy's pretty good. That boat is the Sea Screamer, and I'm thinking there's dolphins over there. The boat? There's probably dolphins. That's why they're going so slow. See if we can see any. That's why they're going so slow. Dolphins on the other side of them and we can't see them. This guy is singing today. His one-man band's pretty good. Yep, there they are, right in the front of the boat. Just off. There they go. See him right in front of the boat? Front. Adults and a baby, it looks like. That was the baby. Maybe not, maybe 3 adults. I don't know. That's why they're going so slow. Like in front of the boat. Sun's going down. We're still at the beach. The sun's in the bathroom. We're about to go home. We had an eventful afternoon at Shepard's and a girl fell out and fell out. We thought she was having like a seizure, but it ended up being heat stroke, and she had a little bit too much to drink. She was a very young girl, and she like tipped backwards on her chair. It was right behind us, so we were trying to help. There was a lot of people there trying to help her. Turns out it was heat stroke, and she had way too much to drink. She's passed out. We got her up. Me and a few other people helped her out, holding her hair while she threw up. It was pretty gross. But hey, spring break in Florida. Done?
Yeah, what you doing?
be a great YouTube video when you edit the music out. No copyrights.
Right.
Okay, what do you want to listen to?
Okay, play a song that you grew up on that I would have listened to back in the day that you can remember.
All right, let me think for a second. I think I might have something. Let me see what I got here.
Remember, y'all, he's 30.
Yeah. Oh.
He's almost 30 years old. Let
me get my roller skates. Let me get my roller skates. Remember when we was broken hearted? The lyrics haven't even freaking started.
Put a brown boy in my car.
You're racist towards your own child.
Who's the brown kid? Okay, so we're all done with the day. How was your day? How was your Clearwater Beach day?
I'm hot. I'm sweaty.
Get in the video. We can't see.
I'm in the video. I wore the wrong shirt, okay, because this shirt is like 179% cotton, and I sweat out of my britches.
Right. But
I had a good time. Yes. It was hot for us as well. I had several Coronas to cool off. Several. Like, the lady only charged me like $22, which is pretty good for like, I don't know, 17
It was not
Coronas.
$22.
Okay, I was trying to ball on a budget and you ruined my video.
Oh, and Clearwater Beach, y'all, you can't drink for $22. Don't let him fool you.
I tried. It didn't work. We're not back in Wisconsin. It didn't work.
I drank water. I had one strawberry daiquiri.
She had aguada.
No,
aguada.
I had one strawberry daiquiri, which was good. Anyway, he had a great day down by the beach, and now we're just about home. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.
Not like it because of me, because I'm the star of the show. Like it because I'm here.
Wait.
Put that money. Okay, guys, hold on. We're back real quick. One more thing. I just want to know. I was on the ocean front, sitting at the bar for so long, had so many drinks, that upon sitting in that chair,
he's got a word.
It's not even a new word. It might be a word some of you haven't heard of, but it's new to my mom, and it's called swass.
Yeah.
And what that is, it's called sweaty ASS.
Yeah.
When you sit for so long or you're doing something in the heat and you develop sweat down your butt crack, we call it swass in Wisconsin. Apparently in Florida they don't do that.
I haven't heard that
They just
word,
sweat, but it's called swass, just so you know.
I just thought it was hilarious. Okay, bye.
Bye.